Satnam I'm Yogi Cas. Thank you for tuning in today. Today I have a Kriya that is working with our throat chakra, and it opens up our thyroid, it opens up the ability to express ourselves and also to be heard, to speak our truth with ease, with being fearless and with being true to ourselves. So let's just tune in with our mantras to get started. Breathe in to chant. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Adgure Name, Chukadgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Adgure Name, Chukadgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Adgure Name, Chukadgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Breathe in, invite your higher self to guide you through this Kundalini practice. And breathe out. And we're starting today with the spinal flexes. We're gonna move in, come to the front and breathe in. We're gonna go back and we're fully stretching us to the back and we're breathing out. And find the rhythm that is good for you. Important thing is that we are really moving our spine as deeply as possible. Our eyes are rolled up to the third eye. And you can go faster or you can slow it down, whatever is comfortable for you today. And bring the awareness to the center of the throat. Now breathe in, squeeze your mobile, push this energy up and relax. And keep the awareness on the center of the chest. And just observe this energy moving in your body. Energy starts to wake up and circulate within your body. Good. Now we're going to move on with the spinal rotation. We're putting the hands to the back of the head. Breathe in when we go to the left and we breathe out when we go to the right. And if you want, you can go faster. Eyes are rolled up on the third eye point here. And we are keeping our attention at the Vishuddha Chakra, at the throat. Breathe in, push this energy up, and hands coming down, and resting with the awareness in the throat chakra. And moving on, we're going to nourish our throat chakra with this next movement. We are flexing our hands with the spinal flex here on the sides. And we breathe in and out, in and out. And we are bringing this beautiful healing prana into our Vishuddha Chakra. So eyes are closed, eyes are in the third eye, and deep breaths here. And our awareness is in the center of the throat. You're doing good, just keep going. And breathe in and out. Good. Now we're going to put the arms, extend them on the sides, and we're inhaling, we turn the head and we raise the forearms up, and exhale, we turn to the right as we drop the arms down. Inhale, hands come up, exhale, hands go down. It is a nice and steady movement here. Breathe in and out. Next, we are going to sit in the rock pose, and we are extending the arms in front of us, and we are opening ourselves to the sky. We are opening our throat and our chest, and go as far back with your neck as it's possible and comfortable for you, and just deep breaths here. Eyes are closed and they are at the third eye point, and our awareness is at the Vishuddha Chakra. We are aligning our throat chakra. Very good. Now we're putting the hands behind us and we're locking them, and our head is tilted forward, and we raise the hands in the back of us as far as possible. And if possible, then do a breath of fire here. This is a very healing breath of fire, also because it is transformative, and it brings a beautiful heat to our body, and it really starts to release all the toxins from the body. So give it your best effort here. Breathe in and out. And just allow yourself to move intuitively the way you wish your body to be moving, and just allow yourself to really relax yourself in your body. Being fully connected and present. Very good. We're going to all fours now, and we are stretching our back and we're lifting the chest and we're lifting the chin, and we're gonna do a breath of fire here. And this is a very powerful movement here. We're working with our thyroid, we're working with our metabolism, we're balancing our hormonal system, and we're strengthening our metabolism here. So give it your best efforts. Very good. Come back to the easy pose. We're moving our shoulders up and down, up and down. So if we have any tension in this area, we are letting it go. We're releasing it now. And awareness is on the throat chakra here. And just enjoy. Breathe in. Very good. Now moving on. Fingers are folded into the palms, and we're going to touch our thumb and our pinky. Breathing very slow and deep here, and eyes are rolled up to the third eye. We're activating Mercury energy. It is corresponding with the pinky fingers. And we're opening the channels with the Vishuddha Chakra to the higher realms. And long deep breaths here. And saying our last meditation affirmations here. I am a peaceful being. I am a powerful being. I am calm and stable. I am a peaceful being. I am a powerful being. I am calm and stable always. I am perfect, healthy, always. I am a giver. I am a giver of love. I am a giver of ease. I am a giver of joy. I am a giver of power. All is well. And breathe in deeply and out. Very good. And just be present here. And just relax your body and be present. We're tuning out Satnam. Satnam. Thank you so much. Satnam.